she's still using her math because every day she always study her math.
Yeah. Okay, wait, I'm going to get the wait, yeah. Oh guys, while you're preparing everything, I need you to prepare
Daddy.
one paper, please. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello? Mama, what is it? Google Meet.
Google Meet. Oh, and by the way, I just forgot to say that Jason's subject here. I need to have a background, but I don't have Opera Bros. I don't know what that is.
Wait, yeah.
Hello, Thea.
Hello, Thea.
Hello.
Yeah. Wait,
We
we're
are
going
all
to
still in
wait for Ruth for a while, yeah. Kita
We are
tunggu
all.
Ruth dulu.
Hey, funny story. Last night I woke up in the middle of the night and I'm like, what are you doing? You're supposed to be to sleep. And then I
Yeah,
go to
wait,
sleep and then I
everybody.
wake up and then go to sleep.
And then we wake up again, and then.
Hello, Jason. Goodbye, Jason.
Hi, Jason. Good morning. Okay, wait.
Where is this root? I am finding root.
So we're
I
going
am
to wait
so
for
confused.
Ruth for a while. Wait, yeah.
While waiting, let's go tell what we have for breakfast.
Yeah. Okay. I think we can start now. It's okay. Maybe Ruth are still preparing herself.
Maybe Ruth is still sleeping.
Yeah, I know, but yeah. So I'm going to present with you
It's so
first.
early in the morning.
This one.
Why you touch food, please?
Yeah.
Again.
Yeah, we're going to learn about the form. All right. Form
Again.
are like a 3D shapes that creating an illusion of three-dimensional uh, shapes. Yeah. Hi, Tia. Are you okay? Okay, I want you to prepare your paper and your marker if you have it. If you don't have any marker, it's okay. You can use your uh, yeah, anything, maybe pencil or
Ooh, let me guess. Are we going to make shadows?
what?
I have a new stuff.
You have a new what? Yeah.
Like my pencil.
Okay, let's start.
Doodle. Doodle.
Start now. Okay, before we start, I want you guys to mute your mic first. Okay, I'm sorry, I have to mute your mic first. And then we have to start to learn something first, yeah? So, when we are looking at the scenery of a city like this, wait, I'm going to share with you the scenery of a city first. This one. Okay, what is inside your mind, Alitia, about this kind of cities?
Is that like a city with a lot of big buildings?
Big building. Okay, what is the building made from?
Um,
the building made from? The solid, this one, the wall and everything.
Brick.
Yeah, from the brick. Good job. How about you, Ivo?
On my
Okay.
mind, it looks like houses.
Okay. What is the material that we need to build a building?
Bricks.
Okay, bricks. Okay. What else? Jason.
Lots of glass, steel,
Lots of steel
concrete,
and then concrete. Good job. And then what else?
sand.
Is there any glass there?
Yeah, I said
Yes.
glass.
Yeah, see that glass, all the materials, a solid one, maybe wood, but maybe the inside is like the one that you said just now, Jason. Yeah, we have like what we call it just now, the grass. I mean the bricks. Okay, Ifo, yeah, you here? Raise your hand.
Well, there is sometimes when a wall is cracked, there is some water.
There's some water inside, right?
Water.
Some leaking water inside from the crack.
Yes. You
Yeah. So
see.
what is the shapes? What do you think about the shapes of the building? Is that like made from the basic shapes like
It's tall.
tall? Okay. How about
Some
you?
are
Yeah.
short.
Yeah.
Concrete and cement.
Yeah. How about the shapes?
The shapes are a
What shape is that?
cube.
A cube. Good job. What else? What else
Mm,
except cubes? Is there anything else? Most of them are cube.
cylinder.
Cylinder. Yeah. Good job. There is a cylinder here. Some of the building. This one. Some of them are, yeah, having a cylinder here. And what else? Yeah, most of them are actually basic shapes, which I mean, which turns into a form. Yeah. So we're going to learn about the form first, so that you get the same idea with Mr. Al later on. Okay, we go to the form now. Wait, I'm going to get something. Okay, I need Tia to help me to read the today's goal. Ready? One, two, go.
I've got muted. I know what is the meaning of form. I can draw a form and color it using black and white wooden pencil coloring technique. I will share my knowledge with others.
Okay, I want Ifo to read this one louder.
A form is an artist's way of using elements of art,
Mm-hmm.
principles of design, and media. Form as an element of the art is three-dimensional and encloses space like a shape. A form has
Blank.
length
It.
and width, but it also had deep forms are either
Geometric.
geometric or freeform.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Ifo, for reading the definition of a form. Now, I want to go to Jason. Jason, what do you think about this drawing? I mean, this picture. How form looks like?
I think forms looks more 3D more than shape.
Yeah.
So forms use shadings, shadows to make it more real.
Yeah.
And then only shapes is like simple lines. And yeah.
Yeah, you're correct, Jason. So shape is like a simple shapes, a simple item like this, like only like a circle, but form make the circle looks more 3D like this, and then the square becoming like a cube, the rectangle with the nice oval on the top becoming a cylinder, and then the triangle combined with the circle here, I mean, oval shapes on the bottom, it becoming a cone, something like this. Yeah, so you know, so you understand, right, between the shapes and forms. Okay, show me your thumbs if you understand about the different of shapes and form. Okay, thank you so much. Now we have to go to practice making a form, drawing the form first. I want you to prepare two paper, and then yeah, we're going to start to draw the form first. After that, we're going to apply the form into a scenery of a city later on. Wait, Mr. Al will. Sorry. Wait. Yeah. Okay, now I'm using my camera now, and then wait. I need to. Where is the? Oh wait. Wait, yeah. I need to spin this one first. Rotate into a nice. How is it?
How
Okay.
did you do that?
Okay, the first one, we when we drawing the circle like that, and then we draw another circle at the back. Okay, probably there is another line here, and then when we combine it like this, it
Mr.
makes.
Alwyn,
Mm,
I need to erase it and make a new one. What
okay,
was that?
yeah, when we combine this one, becoming what the what is becoming right now? Ini jadi apa, Ivo?
A new circle.
Yeah, it's like
Cylinder.
a cylinder. Good job. Yeah, when we draw the one circle
I
at
don't know how to do this. I'm just gonna flip my
the
paper.
cylinder.
That's the easy way.
Okay, next I'm going to draw the,
Now mine's a fail.
yeah, try first, yeah.
Mine.
If I draw one square here, and then I draw another square here behind it, and when I connect this one into this line, it makes what?
Cube.
Cubes. Good job. So the way how you draw the cubes, yeah. First you make a square like this first. You can put anywhere. The square can be on this area if you want it. So this is the, if the square is transparent, you can see that this is another square behind it. And then if you connect this spot into the spot, into the edge
I
of,
don't understand.
yeah, it's okay. You don't need to understand first, Ivo. At least you know how to draw a cubes, yeah.
The house.
Made a mistake.
Yeah, you have to. Ivo, you already draw something like this, right? Two circle behind it. I mean, back and forth,
I'm
and then you
using
just
a
need to connect this one, Ivo. Connect this into this, connect this area into this, and it will create in,
I am.
and you make shadow here, you will create a
Oh.
cylinder.
Like this.
Yeah, yeah,
I
correct.
rest
Okay, are
my.
you ready?
Wait, I'm still doing it.
I'm going to draw the rectangle here. Just imagine that this is the building. Okay,
What?
and then I'm going to draw another rectangle behind it.
I like how Mr. Out feels. It's more better than us because he's the oldest.
Yeah, but it needs some process. And Mr. Al like practicing a lot in
Did you practice since 300 years?
yeah. And then Ivo, you just need to connect this spot, the edge
Okay,
of the
cool.
rectangle, into the another edge of rectangle here, and it will creating the illusion of a
That's
3D.
easy.
Okay. Remember, this one doesn't create a real 3D, but an illusion. Yeah, tuh lihat. This one is only illusion. So misal when misal hold it, there is no width, there is no length. So it's supposed. I mean, it's just like this. Only the
I
illusion.
can make it like this.
Yeah. Try it again, Ivo. Please practice again one more time. Yeah. First, draw one rectangle. You can follow me. Okay, Ivo, Tia, and Jason, I want you to practice as much as you can in your paper. I want to see how the whole paper covered by the uh, square or rectangle. After that, Ivo, you can create another rectangle here. Just move the rectangle into your right or left side like that. See, one, two rectangle, right? And then after that, we are going to trace it. I am trying to trace it now.
How can you make a
I
cone?
can only use a pencil.
Try again and again. Ivo, I'm sorry, Miss I cannot help you because yeah, we are
Hmm.
doing the online one. But if you can follow me, I believe that you can understand about the rules of form, how to make the rectangle and square becoming a building later on. Okay, Ivo, after you draw two rectangle like this, you just need to connect this part, Ivo. This part and this part. Okay,
Already.
yeah, you just
Like
connect that.
this.
So I have to use another
It's a shower.
color so that you understand. Yeah. So it's creating the rectangle. So you know, right? The basic rules that we learned today is about the shape that it turns into a form. The, the shape becoming like if you can see that the shape is becoming 3D, we call it not shape anymore. We call it form. If it is still a basic uh, shape like this, we call it shapes, rectangle shapes. Jadi kalau bentuknya masih dasar gini kita sebutnya, iya, correct, correct, Ivo. Kalau bentuknya masih dasar berarti kita sebutnya
Can I
shape.
use a ruler?
Ya, you can use your ruler. Tapi kalau dia bentuknya udah double layered like this, and then we connect it so that we can see the side of this form. We no longer call this one shape, but this one is a form.
Form.
Are you ready? So we're going to draw a building first, yeah. After you draw a building, after you will understand about the how to draw the car. Okay, Mr. Alice now using a new paper. I'm sorry, my paper. I, sorry, I don't have any tripod today, so it's really hard for me to draw. Okay, Ivo, are you ready with your new paper?
Well,
So, what do you think about the shape and form? What's the difference between shape and
The
form?
shape is like so flat. The
So flat.
form is a little bit like a 3D.
Yeah. Remember, form is not a little bit 3D, but the form look 3D or the form creating illusional 3D. So it's
Mm-hmm.
only illusional. It's not uh,
Mm-hmm.
real. If you touch it, it's still flat. Yeah, it's still flat.
If it's real,
If it's real, it's becoming like your mug or your cup. Okay, I'm going to get my
oh,
cup first. Wait.
it looks so real.
So this is the examples of what we call it just now. The something.
Okay.
Yeah. So when we touch it, it looks so 3D like that, and then yeah, we can see this is the side of the building, and this is the top part like that, and then the examples of cup. Okay, you
A
can see that
glass.
this is the round, and then we combine one round, one circle, and one circle at the bottom here, and then we use the line here. It's creating a form. This is not shapes anymore. This is a form. Yeah, you ready? Now we're going to learn about, yeah, we're going to draw the building, yeah. All right, I want you
It's
guys
going
to
pretty
draw,
well.
yeah, Ivo.
It's going pretty well.
Okay, good. Now, Mr. Al will start to draw. When you draw the scenery of a city, you have to start from the front first. Okay, Mr. Al mulai dari bagian yang paling depan. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't really like to use what do you call it? The, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now this is how grade 1 and 2 draw the building. I want you to make it different ya, just one step ahead. Kalau ini adalah gambar anak kelas 1, kalian harus buat 3D-nya biar kelihatan lebih full ya. I want you to, okay.
Cool.
I'm going to draw a very tall tower here.
A
Are you ready, Ivo?
cylinder.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah, I
No. Well, no. Oh, my giant tower looks like a chair.
yeah. Okay, I want you guys to start draw the shape first. Shape, remember, shape is only flat, like uh, Jason and Ivo said just now. Shape is only flat, no 3D effect.
Shape, shape, shape. I like to draw the shapes.
Okay, after that, remember, because you're not grade 1 anymore, I want to make it more looks 3D, yeah? Okay, the first layers of our city is already done. We're going to make the city overlapping at the back. Going to draw all the plane at the back. I mean,
I
the,
don't know what's all dirty.
ready? Yeah, I want you to draw the shape first, basic shape first, rectangle and square.
Okay. That's so high.
Yeah, we will try from the simple one first. To draw from the simple way first. After that, we're going to make this one into a form. Okay. Mr. R will use a pencil so that we can erase later on. Okay, I'm going to draw another rectangle here.
Hi.
Why I'm using pencil so that later I can erase it.
Oke, sini kecil.
Okay. This is the
I'm using my ruler.
yeah. You can use your ruler.
Ini. Ini.
I want to be a little bit more high.
Ya.
Okay, I am now trying to double to multiple the shapes. Yeah,
Pelan-pelan.
like that. I hope you can understand, guys. This is the simple way how to create the 3D shapes. Okay, after that, so I'll
Ya.
try connect this
Bikin
part.
bikin yang di belakangnya sekarang. Oke, langsung.
So we have to draw another square behind it. I'm using my pencil because later I'm going to erase this line. See that? Yeah. If you know already how to draw it, you can just try to do it by yourself. Wow, we are now creating the 3D. Like that. Yeah, and then after that, we're going to trace the line, yeah? The shape behind. We trace the shape behind. So, Ivo, if you have any question, please let me know, yeah? Don't just be quiet, guys. I want you to be a critical thinker, and then yeah, you have to be an active learner. You can ask me everything. Remember, asking is a nice way how to make ourselves becoming more smarter. Yeah, are you ready? I'm using my pencil so that we can erase it. I connect this one and then this line like that. I connect this line. Ethan, why don't you open your cam? Do you have any problem, Ethan? So, do you understand, Jason, about the shapes and form? God bless you. All right. Yeah. Whenever your teacher asking you what is the difference between shapes and form, I hope you can answer it later when you have your art lesson in your school. Wow. Yes, Jason. Okay. Your first layer already done, Jason. I want you to create another layer here, overlapping. You can create another building so that the building looks very more. I mean, a lot. Okay. Do not follow me. I want you, Jason, to use your own imagination. Okay. This is all enough to give you example. The rest you have to use your own imagination, yeah, because I don't really like the people who always like following the instruction. You have to sometimes do improvisations. You can improvise yourself like that. Okay, now I'm going to draw another building behind it. Okay, this is the very tall rectangle. think I can draw a twin tower here. I want to draw the twin tower. Wow. See that? Mr. Ali is now trying to draw another building behind. Remember, you just need to double shapes. Okay, I will double the shapes here. I'm going to double the shapes here. It can be left, it can be right. Up to you. I double the shapes here. No, I already doubled the shapes. Okay, I double the rectangle shapes. And after that, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. I just need to, yeah, connect the first shapes with the back one, the back shapes, the shapes which is located at the back of the first shapes, and then you just connect this. Find the spot, the last edge of the shapes, and then you just need to connect it. Okay, connect everything. Right, something like this, as simple as this one. Okay, after that, don't forget to draw the small windows. Make it as realistic as you can. Before, do you have any questions so far? Is it hard?
Yes.
Yeah, I know it's very for Evo maybe it's a little bit more tough, more challenging because yeah,
I'm still in grade 1.
yeah, that's why. That's why. Actually, for this form and fit is the lesson for grade 3 above. But it's okay, Evo. I
Oh,
hope,
that's grade 3.
yeah, I hope you can try to adjust yourself to understand. Okay, how is it? Do you have any questions so far, Jason? Okay. So I hope that you understand, yeah, Jason. Have you ever learned about the form and shape, Jason?
Yeah, in grade 3.
Grade 3, yeah, with your teachers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
In
have
grade
you ever
2
learned?
and
Yeah?
I learned it in grade 2 and 3 actually.
Okay. But have you ever learned about this kind of lesson that you have to draw the building? Is
I
this your
chose
first time? Is this your first time?
not my first time, but I never done it in school.
Okay. Yeah, I believe that your teacher already teach you about this. Okay, now you can decorate your building using lines or maybe square to
Israel,
indicate.
I make a face in the building.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I like it. Before it looks really like imaginary city as
Yeah,
usual.
they won't be able to see.
Yeah, as usual, you're very uh creative. Ivo, you use your imagination. combine everything with imagination. It's very nice. Untuk Ivo, dia biasanya like put her imagination into her drawing, which is okay. Yeah, the kids' work is like always combined with the cartoon one, with the everything uh, that looks so funny for us. Okay, for Mr. Al, I think I'm creating the keeping more real. Okay, Jason. Now I'm going to ask you. Yeah, if I draw my building something like this, so what do you think about my position? Is it below the building, or I'm standing on the very tall building? What do you think, Jason?
Can you say it again? I cannot hear you.
Oh, wait, I'm going to. Yeah, wait, I'm going to check my audio first. So, Jason, if I can see the top of the building, the helipad, maybe this one is a helipad. I don't know. Okay. It means that I am standing on the building or I stand on the road.
You stand on the building.
Yeah, I'm standing on the building. So logically, I am stand on the tallest building because I can see all the helipad or all the top part of the building, something like that. Ya, berarti logikanya kalau Mister Al bisa lihat ini apa bagian atas dari
Mitra,
ya,
can I
yes before.
coloring?
Yeah, you can start coloring now.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't forget after this present it. Yeah. So Tia, logically, if we can see the top part of the building, it means that we are standing more uh, taller than this building. Yeah.
Well, could you repeat that again?
Yeah.
There was like different noises. Could you repeat it again?
Oh, I don't understand. What is that? Are you saying something? Olivia, can you please repeat it again one more time?
Is it because of my audio?
Yeah. Say it again, please.
Could you repeat the question?
No, no, no. I'm not asking you. I just want to give you some side that if we can see the top part of the building, it means that we are standing more tallest than this building, right?
Yes.
Yeah. If you stand on the road below this area, you cannot see the top part of the building, right? Is that
Mm-hmm.
correct? Yeah.
Yeah.
That is the logic of perspective. Okay, I want you now, Tia, to color your building.
I'm still decorating it.
Right? Wow, Ivo udah mulai warna ya. You start your coloring step, Ivo. Okay, now Mr. Al want to color. Yes, Ivo, you want to say something?
Next class, can we learn how to draw a delicious? I will know.
Oh, we're going to learn about delicious what? Can you say it again?
Delicious Ice cream.
Yeah. Okay.
I like to draw it. I ever draw it.
Oh, yeah. After this, yeah. Wait. Okay, Mr. I will get my paint first, and then yeah, we're going to color everything. If you want to decorate, I mean, if you want to apply with your crayons to create the wax art, it's also okay. Yeah. So I'm going to get my water first. Sorry, I have to leave you just like 1 minute. Wait.
Please start some music. I am getting stress.
All right, now I'm trying to color my uh, building. Ready? I will use my paint now. Yeah, remember, guys, we are still learning about everything. Don't just apply one color. Yeah, one building can. Yeah, Ivo, you wanna say something?
Well, I am not pretty sure if I can draw a sunset or not.
Oh, just try.
I've been practicing drawing a sunset for years and it turned out a fail.
Okay. Yeah, try it. You will never know that you can draw it or not unless you try. Right? Remember, apply as many color as you can. This is a time
Like
for
one,
us.
two, three, four, five, six colors.
Yeah, five, four, five, six color. This is a time for us to try all the colors first. You don't have to be realistic. You just need to use your imagination, and I want you to explore as much color as you want. Okay, like Mr. Arm. How come that this building have two colors, Mr. Arm? It's okay because we are still learning. Later, when you grow up and you want to choose to use only one color, it's also okay then. But now, since
Mr.
we are
R,
still, yeah.
do you have Instagram?
Oh yeah, I have it.
Can you follow my uh Instagram?
Listen, yeah. You can type your Instagram account on the chat box. Yeah, yes. If you, but actually, if you notice that, yeah, when you see my Instagram, you will understand that Mr. R is big liar because if, last time I,
Ah, don't worry, Mr. Ali. He's already like 9 years old and first grade.
yeah, because I tell you that I don't really know how to sing, but actually in my reality world, I can sing very well. Yeah, listen, if you want me to follow you, please type your Instagram. What Instagram account? Or
There, in the
wait, I'm going to get my phone first.
That was nothing. Who is that? Oh yeah, it's Arthur. No. That's mommy.
Okay, Jason, I think I already saw you.
Okay.
I like to sing, but not in front of people. Are you done yet? Just ignore that sound, please. I'll make this purple and some purple. Maybe. Yoo-hoo, Mistral!
Yeah,
I like one of the building you drawn. It's really cool. It's so galaxy.
you like what?
I like the one of the building because it looks so galaxy and stuff.
Yeah, okay then. See? Don't forget, yeah, I want you to put all colors.
Colors of the
This is,
rainbow.
yeah, this is the time for us to explore all colors. Wow, I can see that
The
Jason.
what now? The what and the what now?
Evo, apply as many colors as you want, Evo.
Oh my
Do
god.
not limit yourself with just only one color. I want you to explore more color.
I like to mix it because it looks so cool. Look at that. I'm gonna let my paint dry for a second. So I'm gonna use cyan. Ooh, I like that color. Science. It's like mixing and it's like really cool to watch.
Jason, how old are you now?
He's 9.
Oh, still
Uh,
not. Oh, I think still need more time. Oh, because if you are 13 years above, you can get your coronavirus vaccinations.
I'm gonna use one of my brush so I can like make it a little bit more dry.
Right, this is the time, guys, to blend as many color as you can. There is no rule. You can blend yellow with gray, brown with purple or pink. Yeah, just try to yourself to use as many color as you want.
Okay, me and Ruth were friends since we were still kindergarten, you know.
Yeah.
gosh, it's so mixed and it looks so cool.
Yeah. Are you using watercolor now, Ivo?
Yes, I
Oh,
am literally
yeah,
using
watercolor
it.
makes you know, the effect of a full satisfaction.
Well, do you want to see how it's going?
Wow, the color is so contrast. Wow. Do you have any specific reason why you put the sky with a red color? You like it?
So cool and it's like so satisfying to watch.
Yeah, okay. I will follow you then.
Not bear the stars. I need my water.
Okay, maybe building in the future they will have the helipad, yeah, because helipad is the the important thing. When something happens to the building, people can get evacuated
Pink has
from,
to show.
yeah. Okay, I will follow you. I'm sorry, Ivo. I steal your idea.
That's okay, because I just want to share my ideas with others.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ivo. You just inspired me to do something cool. But I add black because maybe the sky is about to the night. Yeah, I mean about the sunset. Like,
So satisfying to watch, Mr.
wow, this is very maybe it's almost raining.
Oh my goodness. It's so cool.
Okay, it's about to rain.
Oh, so satisfying. Literally.
Wow, and I'm using black. It's you know what the cloud, the sky looks very dramatic.
Oh my goodness, it's so good. Wait, why am I saying good? It's not food.
If it is more than good, it we can call it awesome or maybe like stunning or impressive.
It's so satisfying. This one is like a wiggly jelly. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggly.
Okay, I'm using black. If you notice that,
Okay.
Alicia, black skies are very dramatic, right?
Yeah. I am never dramatic.
You can follow me, guys, or you can modify. Remember, do not follow. You can modify. Steal the idea and modify.
I got the idea from a little bit from Mr. Al, and then I was like taking a lot of water, and then I'm like, okay, this looks so good, and then like it's so satisfying to watch.
Yeah, agree with you. Thank you for being honest. Ivo.
Mopping. Why am I saying mopping? I'm not even mopping. What?
Where is Ruthia?
Huh? She's still sleeping, maybe. Ooh.
I
Oh
miss
my
you.
god. It's so many colors. I cannot even see the face anymore. It's
Mhm.
okay. I don't even like the face on the buildings anyways.
Wow, yeah, like the drawing is very detailed, yeah. You put so many building behind it. Nice.
Actually, that's actually a song for men, so you can do pretty well.
Yeah.
Name someone you love. And it's a green.
Yeah. Come on, Tia. You have to color it now.
Well, I'm still doing the lines though.
Time is running out. I get kind of bored, so I decided to sing. My my seat is not very comfy. It's not always next to the table. Since this one has no face, I'm going to make it so satisfying to watch. It's mixing out.
There's
Why is it so quiet?
I am trying to focus. And I don't know why it's so quiet.
Jason is always like this. He mutes, he not turn on camera. That's weird.
What are you talking about?
I always turn on the camera.
Oh, yeah.
There are like two girls, one man, and one boy. What? I'm so confused.
Um, okay, finally I'm done doing the lines.
I am very confused what I'm going to do next. What is there? I don't know. Something. I cannot. I just broke because of my delicious breakfast.
Yeah.
Mm.
How is it, Ivo? Are you happy now with working with your paint?
Yes, I am so happy that let's go blue. Ooh, look, so satisfying to watch right now. Ooh, it's like fireworks. It looks like a firework. So can I show you how it's going? I will show you how it's going. It is going very good. Look at this one. It's so satisfying to watch. The blue cyan is like Why am I saying nom nom? Oh, it's bubbly. Bubble, bubble, bubble. There, why do you have so many noises? Maybe because of my table. Did you organize your table yesterday?
Yeah, okay, Tia, I want you to apply all colors, yeah? I want you to mix all colors. Green with
I
white, I
like
mean,
to mix.
yeah, green with
Can
yellow.
I put here?
Yeah, you can use your watercolor, Tia. I mean, there is no limitation. You can mix blue and red, red with brown, brown with light green. Try to explore as many colors as you can.
Okay. I'm gonna mix red with something. I don't
Yeah.
know.
Okay, we still have like 20 more minutes. I mean, 25
20
more
more
minutes.
minutes.
Yeah,
20 minutes?
25 more minutes because I want you to
Oh,
present it. Yeah, one person have to present like 5 minutes. I want you to make it more longer. Tell
don't make it
everything.
equal, and this is what I created, and that's it. Goodbye. Like that.
Yeah, try to present your drawing, I mean your painting as detailed as you can. Not only
I
like,
like Mr. class because we get to talk.
mm,
It's a shame Ruth it's not here. If she was here, she would be like this to my painting. She would be like this if she will be like, oh my god, that looks like a galaxy. Because it is. Oof. A galaxy. I am almost done, Mistral. I think it's needed. There, you almost done because I am. And I am done, Mistral. It's kind of wet. I need a fan. Mistral, I'm done.
wow. See that? Very nice. Ivo, wait. Yeah, Ivo, I'm going to take photo of you first. Ready? One, two, smile, Ivo.
That was nice.
Okay, Ivo, you wanna present it now?
Obviously, I was born to be present.
Okay. Oh, I want you
Hi,
to
my
color
name.
the white. No, wait. I want you to color the white windows first. That looks undone.
This is
White.
this is that's because the curtain is closed and it is white.
Oh, okay. I thought
Okay.
you forgot to color it. Ready? One, two, go.
Hi, my name is Iko and this is what I created. So using the power of my mind, I decided to make it look super cool and it turns out like this. I made a sunset because I've been practicing making sunset for years. And the story begins right here. So I got the idea from many people, but I'm like, okay, I think I'm gonna make it wet and then I'll mix the color and
And then,
then and then this turned out and then my mother helped me because it's too much work. So yeah, she helped me with the buildings and the outlines.
Why you put this sunset at the sky scene?
Cause I think it looks pretty okay to me.
Okay, and then can you tell us step by step how to draw the building?
Yep. So first you have to take a marker or a pencil or anything, and then you draw one of the shapes, and then draw one at the back, and then make some lines at the bottom and the top, and ooh la la, that's it.
Okay, how do you
It's
feel when you
lemon
use the color?
easy. I I take some water, not too much water, but yeah, decided to mix it all, and this happened.
How do you feel?
I feel 160 million happy for
Okay,
this.
can you tell us five things that you learned from this lesson, please?
I learned that if you mix colors, it turns out like this. And second, I learned how to play with the shapes and make it a little bit like a 3D, but it's not.
Okay,
And
the third one.
third, I I learned if you fail, that's okay. You just get a new paper and then draw something more new.
Fourth
And
one.
fourth of all, I learned that if your mother helps you, it's actually really easy and you can use a ruler. It's more beauty, more perfect. And the last of all, I learned all of that to make this beautiful, beautiful picture.
Wow, nice. From 1 until 100 stars, how many stars that you deserve to get?
150 million thousand.
That's too much.
I
Okay.
give myself a four thumbs
Mm-mm.
up with my feet.
So funny. Well, all right, thank you so much, Ipo, for sharing with us. You have your free time. You can what? Do a free drawing or wait for your friend to present, and you can ask them
I
any
like to
question.
wait and I'll show you my painting last
Whoa,
year I made.
what is that?
A nice screen.
Nice. Where you learn that one?
I learned it from YouTube from a channel named Come Play With Me, and then I decided to make it a little bit like it but different.
Oh yeah. By the way, I noticed that you are in another room, not in your house, right?
No, I'm in my
Oh
apartment.
yeah. Enjoy your day, yeah. Ivo, you can just go outside to have a.
No!
Oh, nice. How to do it, Ivo? First of
Just
all,
take a brush and then crack, 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 crack.
oh, do the splashing effect, right? You splash, splash,
Yeah.
right? And then, did your mommy helping you?
Yep. She
Okay.
helped me with the background,
Mm-mm.
the lemony background.
Okay. Wow. I want you to show it to your teachers, yeah, when you join with your school later on. Show it. You can share with your friend, like, hi, teachers. Actually, I learned this kind of things when we have a holiday. Painting the building, painting the nice ice cream, something like that. Okay.
Painting the beautiful colors.
All right then. Thank you so much, Ifo. I wish that I can meet you, yeah, in the real life. Like, yeah, I go to your apartment and we can just play in the swimming pool
May you
together.
stop in my houses.
Mm-mm. Do you have any swimming pool at the bottom? I mean, below the apartment?
Yeah, but it's closed because for kids it's Corona, man. Only
Yeah,
for
yeah, yeah.
grown-ups.
I know that. Yeah.
We
Okay.
have to go to the pool now. Corona, man.
Yeah, Mr. Al, actually, sometimes just break the rules. I with my daughter go to the swimming pool, just yeah, just sneak out and then
Wish Ruth was here too because we can have fun at the playground.
Yeah, you can have fun in the playground, sort of, so yeah. And even in your house, you can just draw as many drawing as you want, right, Ivo? Okay, Ivo, you have your free time. Thank you so much for inspiring us to be the risk
Thank
taker.
you.
Yeah.
Bye.
No, don't say bye first. You wanna go somewhere?
I want to leave.
Yeah, at least wait for Jason to present. Jason, are you ready?
I'm not ready yet.
Oh,
Almost
I'll
need to
give
the limit yet.
a four thumbs up,
okay.
and Mama will also give two thumbs up.
Yeah, all right then. So we're going to wait, yeah. While waiting, Ivo, you can have free time. You can take a rest just a while. At least you need to wait for Jason to present first, and then yeah, Alithia also. Come on, Tia, make it more faster, please, and don't forget to blend all the colors you want. Oh, that's nice, Ivo.
Ta-da!
Are you construct all the things by yourself, or you get help?
Most of the time it's the
Some
mom.
help with my mom and Jason.
Oh, okay.
We also
Hey,
built one, but Chinese.
where you buy that puzzle? I mean, the is that expensive?
Tokopedia.
No,
Oh, okay. I think it's a nice bonding time, yeah, with your mommy if you can work together to build the house. Okay. How do you build that one? Can you share us the story, please, Iko?
The story was when the first time I wanted to build this, I took out all the stuff and then Jason almost done with his building. And then I played Roblox and a game named Gacha Online Roleplay. And then
Mm-hmm.
and then Jason brought me my new house when it's already made.
Okay.
It took many hours.
Yeah.
I made some little characters. Meow. There's the cat girls. Now, start. If someone wants to present, I will look at them while playing.
there is also me on the phone.
This is a little baby sister. This is a little sister. Usually we have get on, but now it died because its shell is now too small.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to wait for Alithia and Jason to present, yeah?
Someone said something. Jason. Why did Jason say Jason Angelo 0101? That is I am
Yeah,
stuck
we
in the
need to wait for Jason.
class.
to
I'm going to sleep.
yeah, Kakatia, you can try to apply the sky with any colors you like. Blue, purple, red, make it as colorful as you want, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, we're still learning. You don't have to follow the realistic situation like the sky is always blue. No, sometimes when the artist work with the painting, the sky totally can be a different thing. Yeah, it can be very dark, brown and yellow colors that they want. Jason, are you there ready?
Almost. The plan is already done, but one more building.
Yeah, okay then. Yeah, because Ifo are waiting for you. Ifo is waiting for you, and then yeah, after you present, maybe Ifo can just continue doing something today.
Hello, hello, I am the India man.
What is the meaning of that?
from my that's from Jason and my biggest cousin Orville. He ever said that at his friends sometimes. He sometimes say hello, hello, I am the India man.
Hello, hello. I'm the Indian man. It's very, very interesting. I can sing some Frozen song like "Let It Go, Let It Go."
Why did they say not again?
My
You have
plan is
good
done.
times already.
Yeah, you know what? In India, we have so many. You know. Okay, Jason, I'm gonna take it off you first. Okay, don't cover your face, Jason. Yeah, show your handsome picture on your face. Okay, you may start now, Jason. Don't forget to introduce yourself, please. Ready? One, two, go.
Hello, my name is Jason, and this is what I created. It's buildings, and uh, some of the buildings on fire, and then there is firefighter helicopter, and then a building here, and then there's like a factory that made the fire because of the high heat, and then this one is also the same factory, and this one is on fire, and then the helicopter is trying to stop it. Then the skies is like purple, and then yeah,
Okay. Oh, what is that? The one like the spiral thing in that one. The
this
building.
one,
Yeah,
this one is the like the smoke.
the smoke. Oh, okay. Where you get the inspiration? Why you suddenly creating a burning building?
I don't know because like I made a firefighter and then I thought well might as well use the like firefighter thing and then the fire.
Yeah, I like the way you modified the idea, Jason. Actually, I don't think about the burning building, but when you do it, it becomes like one step ahead. It's beyond my imagination. That's really cool. Yeah, Jason.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's like you are giving another alternative idea. And everybody is drawing a simple and quiet city like this, and suddenly you make the city becoming more dramatic. Okay, how do you feel when you paint your own building?
I feel good.
Okay, what did you learn? Can you mention five things that you learned from this lesson? One.
I learned about to be creative, how to draw buildings, how
Mhm.
to combine colors,
Okay.
then uh, different techniques in painting,
Yeah, and then the last one.
and the last one using different shapes.
Okay, using different shape. Okay, do you have any idea to make this painting more better?
I think I can maybe add more buildings and then
Yeah.
uh,
If I be like you, I will put Spider-Man and all the enemy like jumping on the building, and then they have a fight on that area. That's more
okay.
drama. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, Jason. Do you have anything to say for the last one?
No,
Are you happy?
yeah.
Okay, then. Thank you so much, Jason and Ifo. Yeah, you can take a rest now. I know this is a very hard. I mean, yeah, you can do your.
Jason.
Thank you so much, Ifo and Jason. You can leave the call. I will just wait for Alithia. But if you want to wait for Alithia to present, is you can also wait
Okay,
for her then.
going is.
Yeah, teman Tia, we are waiting for you.
I like this.
Oh, you just need to color the sky, right, Tia?
Yes, and then we go the buildings.
Yeah, okay. So I will be waiting. Okay, if you don't have anything to do, you can just wait for like about 5 more minutes ahead because after this we're going to uh,
Okay, good.
turn up
I'm
for.
going to chat with Jason in the chat box.
Yeah, you can just chat or you can talk to Jason actually.
Like this. Blah, 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 blah. I leave you. Is there anybody home? I always do that whenever we have a lesson. I always do like, hello, anybody home? And yes, there is somebody home. Ooh. What is that sound, Mr. Al?
Oh, it's from my application. Sorry.
Didn't you just silence it before starting this class? Because I always do that. Didn't do what? Because my friend always annoys me. I don't know why, but my house is never having noisy. It's just the three of my family, my dad, my mom, and me. That's it. But at Jason's house, there is his mom, his dad, Arthil, and him. There's four. I'm only in three. I'm only three too. But my grandpa lives alone. He has a beautiful balcony.
Okay.
So there is nine family. We are the nine family in Arya group.
Oh, I think Tia is almost done. Like,
Okay, good. I can see her painting. I
wow,
don't know what am I doing now.
it's okay, not to rush.
Need to cover the clouds.
You
The
can put
sky and
dark
the
cloud with the red, I mean with the black, just
oh,
to make the situation becoming more dramatic, like something about to happen. Yeah,
draw some.
yeah,
There's no water though.
yeah. It's okay. It's okay. You can even put one building burned with so many smoke.
You sure, but most of the buildings aren't houses. They're just buildings. I am so proud of myself. Now, so first I think yes, so first I am going to draw a beautiful, beautiful horse.
Okay then.
So start with the body and the leggies. I'm gonna do leggies. Sky or star, the okay romance you and riding on the statue. I still remember every word you said. I'm not a soldier, but I'm fighting. Can you hear me through the silence? I won't give up, 'cause there will be a day. It again. I'm not going to present right now. I like the very calming songs. I like to sing new songs. Dramatic, underwriting on the statue. I still remember every word you say. I'm not a soldier, not fighting. Can you hear me through the silence? I won't give up, 'cause there will be a day we'll meet again. This horse just pooped. And this horse just pooped. I think I am now done.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, can you take photo please first?
You don't mind the white thing, it's just the curtains.
Yeah, okay, take photo first. Don't cover your face. Yeah, ready, one, two, go. Okay, you may start now. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Lydia, and this is my 3D form buildings.
Mm-mm.
You can see that there's a lot of buildings that I made.
Yeah, and then
I have like some of the buildings are like stars, and some of it are just like for an apartment. And also there's an apartment.
yeah, Ifo and Jason, if you have any question, you can ask Tia right away. Okay. Do you have any question, Ifo, for yeah, Theo. I
Yes.
mean Ifo. Yeah, go.
I was going to say that. Why did you use a crayon or watercolor? It looks smooth. What? What did you say? Is it made out of watercolor or crayon? Because it looks so smooth. I just use watercolor. Okay.
How do you feel when you use your watercolor?
It's cool.
And then why? How to make your painting looks smooth?
I just want to make the paint dry.
Mm-mm. And then yeah, how much? I mean, how many times? I mean, how long have when you how long that you take to decorate all the building with the windows and everything?
I think like like 10 minutes or I don't know.
Yeah, where you get the inspiration to create so many building there?
I didn't get any inspiration. I just wanted to make this.
Yeah, Jason, you have any question for Tia? No, yeah.
No.
What do you think of Tia's painting, Jason?
What?
What do you think about Tia's painting?
Very colorful.
Very colorful, yeah. And
I
I just,
think
yeah,
Taya's
if-
painting is very, I don't know, inspiration and so smooth and colorful. It's so
yeah,
bright.
yeah. So bright and smooth. Yeah, I agree with you, Ivo. So Tia, can you mention to us 5 things that you learned from this lesson?
I learned how to make this 3D building.
And then, one, two. Second one is
and I learned how to like make it make like wait, what is it again? The decorate?
the form.
Yes, the form.
Okay, the third one, you learn about what?
I learned about how to make like how to make the colors blend together.
Okay, the fourth one, you learn
I learned about
how to make the windows.
um yes,
Okay, the last one, come on, you learn about what?
I learned about 3D and the font, if I'm correct.
Okay, you learn about the PG and all the stuff. Thank you so much, Tia. You want to say something? Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Okay, you can share to your mommy, yeah? Thank you so much, everybody. Jason, thank you so much. See you again with Mr. Al next time. Yeah, Jason, have a nice day. Ipo also. And see ya. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.
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 Ipo.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Ipo.
Bye.